Welcome back to Four-Wheel Drive Adventure Crew. My name is Voss, and we are out and about in another snowstorm. We kind of like this kind of weather. Creates a fresh powder, and for the next few weeks we might have rain up here at the high country. So today is probably the last day we're gonna get some decent snow. So we're gonna go explore some open roads that are year-round open, and we'll see how far we can make it. We're starting out at 6,000 feet right away, right off Highway 80 right now in Northern California. Let's hit the road. All right, we started off and we are in winter wonderland. We're down to 5 psi on our tires. We'll see how far we can make it. Elevation is actually 5,000 feet at the beginning, and we should be going up to 68 if we're successful.
So as we depart, first thing on this trip, I'm going to take the lessons that I learned from last weekend, and I'm going to apply them to driving through this snow, checking, how it reacts to XYZ. So we'll see if today is a day where I have a little more successful driving experience. Let's see how it goes.
So far we're driving on a previously tracked road, and we're waiting till we get into some high elevation where people have not ventured off yet. So we got few options when we get to the top, but we're still following the 5,000 foot elevation mark. And looks like in the past few days there's been plenty of cars in this fresh snow, and we have plenty of traction with this wet snow. So we'll see. We should be able to make it pretty far today. So today we have a few different cars. We got 3 XJs, and we have a buggy. We got a Nissan, a 4Runner, and a Bronco, a 2-door. I haven't seen those with us yet. We've only seen the 4-door, so we'll see how the 2-door is gonna do on this kind of snow and trail. I mean, I like those things. They're pretty cool. So we'll see. It's an awesome little group that we put together last minute because some of my friends bailed on me. So I just did a quick post. I'm going there. See you in the morning. And those people that spotted that kind of message, they're here with us. Down the road up to this beautiful river going down right here. It is so awesome. Looks amazing with all the trees covered with snow. It's super cool, very nice. So we're down to 5 psi like I said before, and everybody else is close to that. But the road has still been plowed, so we're gonna explore a little bit and find some road where it hasn't been driven on yet. So there's a couple options up ahead. We'll get to them soon. All right, we are finally on the road less traveled. Only looks like a single track going this way, and we're gonna be going up in elevation because we dropped down to 4,700. And this is how much snow we got up here. Look at that. So this is getting a little more interesting. A few years back, we got some Christmas trees over here, and it's some beautiful area in Tahoe National Forest. stuck behind us, so we're in the buggy right now on the YJ, going to go see if we can help him out. Alright, here's the scenario here.
We both kind of got stuck.
Yep. Now that's deep. It's a deep on this side right here.
Yeah.
I winched myself out, so now I'm unstuck.
Well, we'll hook up to him and get you guys going, because it's packed down pretty good back there.
Whatever.
Hold on. Don't spin your tires too much. Don't spin your tires.
Can you try to reverse?
Nope. Wait. Start spinning now. Go. Nope. Don't dig. That's too deep for him here. Okay, start spinning now. Go. Nah. All right, the battery's dying pretty quick, so we got the Bronco out, and now we'll see if the 4Runner will make it into the same grooves right here. But there's a lot of ruts right here, so it's gonna be tough. Piece of cake.
You need a ride?
Let's go.
All right.
Everything all right, Rory?
Yep, everything. You know, dug myself into a hole there.
Did you?
Yeah. It was. You know, tried digging it out.
So now basically just go like I set your settings up, manual, locked. I mean, you in the turns, turn it off.
Yeah.
When you're going straight, if you're starting to dig, just line your lockers and very light throttle. Because you should be doing good.
Yeah, most of the time I was seemed like I was doing fine as far as once we got going.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you so much.
When we get to the clearance, we'll gotta put the buggy up front, so that way he can pack the trail down bigger for everybody, and then we can smooth it out. update. We're at 5,400 feet. We got the buggy up front breaking the trail. I got 2 cars ahead of me that are packing down. I got all the small wheeled Jeeps
I'm gonna wait till he gets
and Jeep Bronco and 4Runner. I'm packing it down for them, and I'm in the middle of the pack. In case somebody gets stuck, I can easily back down there and get them out. So on this trip we have James again, and it's a third type of different snow we have here in Sierras. So James, what have you learned from this snow so far today?
Don't pin it. Do not pin it. You will slip, sink, and then you'll be stuck and have to dig out and then back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. Now, I do think I might drop my air pressure some because I'm at like 13.
But you know, that's you drop your pressure, you drop your diff even lower. So that's with your tires, that's if you need to ride higher, because the snow, you got the grip. So I wouldn't drop pressure, because if you can see, I'm dragging quite a bit. You are shaving everything off.
Hey, did you by chance bring any milk for these Cheerios?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need that.
So we'll see. I wouldn't deflate in your opinion, but looks like a buggy up ahead is going to be deflating, and it's starting to rain.
Isn't he already deflated?
He's at 4 psi.
Oh, he's at 4.
Yeah, he needs to go to 2 probably. So we'll see. But yeah, we're doing pretty good. Bronco is doing pretty good, and the 4Runner is doing pretty good.
Side note, I self-recovered twice so far, so that's, ow,
Yep.
pat myself on the back.
Yep, there you go. It's slow going here. The buggy is breaking the trail, but it's having a little bit of hard time doing so because the snow is wet, and he has the big mud terrains, and the snow doesn't stick to the tires right now because it's wet. So it's just digging and digging. So we're trying to pack it down whatever he can break the trail. We're packing it down with our tires, so the vehicles in the back can have a good traction going down.
So we got James over here, he's breaking the trail, as you can see. And this is gonna get deep, so I'm gonna hand the camera to Katie and have her film us getting up
We're
this.
gonna drop to 42 to 0, I think.
So it's one of those things where, do I pin it or do I not? And so I did, and then I had to not. So valuable lesson there. This is different snow. This is kind of wet, sticky.
Well, I'm back ahead in plowing the trail for everybody. Kind of in the flat zone right now, but we're doing pretty good. My tires are packing it down a little bit easier than the mud terrain, so we'll see how far we can make it. We made it to 6,000, and it's sort of raining, snowing. My transmission got up to 250. It's cooling down. My engine oil is at about 210, 220. My water temperature is about 215.
Hold back, because I think this.
So we are letting it cool off a little bit, and we're gonna continue on. Trying to get a little bit up ahead. There's a lookout area. It's a little wide open section. We'll spend some time there and start heading back. It's already 2 p.m. So we'll see, you know, how far we can make it before it gets dark, because we'll have to take the same way back out. And we'll see, you know, how good it's gonna be on the way back. So, but so far everybody's doing okay. Breaking the trail pretty good, and they're packing it down behind me pretty good as well. So all the small wheeled vehicles, they're making it pretty good. So just take a little break and keep on punching it. Alright, after punching as far as we can, we got to a spot where it's kind of wide open. It's sort of snowing, raining. We're at 6,200 feet, and it's very deep over here. I mean, those are 37-inch tires. They're riding on whatever they can, but according to the road, we are deep in here. So I try to create a spot to turn around and sunk, so I'm gonna hook up a winch to my sister's Jeep and get myself pulled through so we can kind of get area opened up for everybody to be able to turn around over here. So it was pretty cool punching the trail, but the transmission just keeps getting hot because we're not making a lot of speed, and cooling it off, it's kind of hard. So we'll just be here for a bit and start heading down the hill.
I think you're sitting good in there.
What?
I think you're sitting good inside the snow. Your back tires.
I think I'm up on top of a stump in the back.
Oh. Maybe. Whom? Whom? Ah.
I'm first!
I've got to get to the other side. What is this? 1 winch, 2 winch, 3 winch. That one's winching right over there.
We wanted the winch fest a couple weeks ago, but we couldn't get it because we didn't have that much snow. Well, now we have winch fest. Stuck. She's not stuck. He's stuck. Tanya, you're running over his rope. So that one's not stuck. He's gonna pull that car out. I'm stuck and I'm sinking. Look at that. I'm falling knee deep, and who knows how deep stuff is. So yeah, this is our turnaround spot, supposedly. We'll see.
This will be the first time I've ever pulled someone backwards.
All right, slowly.
Good. Well, it's slow. We're
Well.
supposed to go fast.
Well, yeah, but get some speed slow, then yank them. So don't step on it right away. Start rolling, then go into it. There you go, go. That's all you needed. Okay, you're on tracks. You're good. There you go.
Hey, I think the snow is a little thick over here.
Yeah, I mean your 32s are sinking below the snow line over here.
Yeah, but hey, I got my traction boards, so everybody's safe. You don't have to worry at all. No matter what, we're all gonna make it.
Yeah.
Thankful. Hey, are you still stuck? Are you?
Oh yeah, I'm still stuck. You're gonna have to pull me next. Get up to that tree and stop for a minute. Wait for the Nissan to turn around. You're good. You're good.
I'm using my left foot for brake.
Learning.
Hey, yeah. I'm doing much better this time. Like much better.
Like I said, I want you to learn how to drive it on the Cheerios before you get the big donuts.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna need some cream cheese with those big bagels. So when do you want those other guys to come up here? As soon as we all turn around and line up. Tanya, see if you can.
Well, my Jeep was able to punch quite a bit of the trail going up, but still not enough to, you know, make it up to 6,800 or 6,400. We made it to 6,200, which is a bonus. But with this wet snow and more warm rain coming on later on this week, I don't know. I think after this trip, we'll just work on our Jeeps and James's Jeep and get ready for KOH, because we're getting ready to go out there and spectate again. And if you guys want, we have launched our website. You can probably see it down in the comments below. We have some shirts. We don't have a lot yet, but we're working on it. Tanya is the one that makes them in-house, so we're not paying any companies out there to go out and make our product for us. We're making it all ourselves. So if you want to support Tanya, you want to get the sticker or shirt, check out the website down below in the description. But we're just going to be heading out from here to the freeway. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next adventure.